Yache na mama wakwaba emra Badwam Jumadi so de so no pensem wene International Women's Day emma ye wo biase afa na bia no ye de ne yesi ho no mo a ye bo ya baso na ya kire ye mfa so de ya ye bo anase nipa su a ye ewo man mu ewo mpotemu ani dwumadi anase de brebia ye de ama ye no nti ana hu ne se ne me na meti adwamu ma hene gina home ene ma no ana ye de abo ye bo Badwam Jumadi ye de esom wo na ye ba bedi nkomo ye bedi nkomo pa banya mpanimfo kukuda mienu ofiduam hase omo ye ma se do mu frase wodi abrabo sukukọ ema hwe eka politics ho etesen wo mo fro no na tesen emre eda hokwa omo fro ne tra anase ne mu odin ye mu nkomo ye ba bedi ne ne wo ye oba na afa ne wafrase na de atu hofo na afa wo hunu se enafom fiduam hase me wo na ya ajantua e wo fie hase na mami ye ba on se PURC ene ba wadwem wo de no to nche wo ye manwini CPP amanyoko no di muntinti man pa menye wo fiduam hase sanse wo no ye deputy general secretary de ma CPP amanyoko no sanso na mo ma me Joyce Konoki Zampare wo no so ye deputy communication director de ma MPP amanyoko mo nyina ye ma banwonsem esi wo mani simeni wo mo eba abedi enkomo abusia mo wache mo akwaba
yeah
empombo kode
Adom
Yankopon eguso esraye na enana efie boko abusia nana ya gentia neti mebonkum so ewa hai wo ye general secretary de ema ye CPP amayoko no ono ne ho nene ni frase afri nana minim se wo ye manwani wo abusia sukukro ema tete efie hye na wodi be wura amanwensem mu wo frase afri he ana de do amanwensem mu ni bebia wodru
me da was minuan oh why are there so correct because what you had deputy general they can ba be say do fu say be bi na general secretary ana
da bi ensa from so wo
ti dan ka we den ka me do be shim
we de wa na na fu say wa ne boss no
correct o ndi me ja o baby am free there me di free me papa fie e o kuma say me papa ye no oye politician kese pa
okay
one Kwame Nkrumah na boss CPP ni si ho
okay
nti me so nyina no bibi obeye bia na odi mi hyem ese ye wo me to ho no me na me last one asem obi na no kan ne se me ma no we na ebeye politics
okay
nti ne bibi obeye bia no na oye den odi mi hyem na notable pa ye the days of the PMFG People's Movement for Freedom and Justice no mu ye ku bia o matia na o mu opposi a champion minim so onim ayikutu a champion general champion obeye ku etu ibuzia government na odu maybe no so person oye union government a union government no say obi anyi ne party se mu free ne ho no meka ne ho na ye nyina ye mu na sa ekuyi yete omuteye na omudi opposi no ti fie pa ne no omudi mu akotene oma na omo wo sa ekuyi mu ebi ye pa wili ye current president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ono so ka ho komla gbedema e papa me uncle KSP Kwesi Prat impanyimfo bebre na ye fie ne no omo hia nti no politics nyina me na me hwe omo so asakola na me hwa me na me hwe omo so omo papers ne niam omo chochuro nyina omo de ye ne efe ne seditious materials me bag mu ne na me yeden me de hye me akola no ti me omo tete ho si ana me mete omo nchen
okay
nti omo bo paper ne din ya na makom bag ne me ready me yi ama me kai one day pa wili tina akunya ken chairs ibi otena so na enti na ye week na obo fom na me sreye hwe omo hwe me enti no self group mu de ne efe ne se a free fa no nyina no general FIFA 1966 omo nyina no omo wom na edru mre na efa Ghana ho no na emfa ho se we CPP ni ana we UP ni
okay
because at that moment no the current president we UP ni the power will ye UP ni papa ye CPP but komla gbe de ma ye CPP
okay
but omo come together because your mama meti ase ne say you have to resist any rule of the oppressor
okay
na ebasa
fa woni baby e free ba opeso wa kan o hye nko ade a
obi peso o kan Ghana hye esa mo kan bom na mo ko
okay nessa wo di amanyo nsem de di twa ofuru ma
ye di twa me furu ma na 1966 no na me papa ye minister for agric e wo Nkrumah eyi e free fa na de na 2 jail
and before independence asem na me
okay after independence na 57 and na ye independence 66 and na coup ne bai
okay
e free fa na de na 2 mo be papa kra de order mu chair because I'm a member of the Communist Party Russia Communist Party
na we mu nyina ya mu wa bam
Debi e didn't say boom abem
asakra wo nyini na papa de ne ho rap politics mu na ya che na to mu
o start ye kran san na me ye obewo me because ono omo kun for independence e papa ene Kwame Nkrumah me gina ye kun for independence
okay na emu wa bam
emu mabem say me nuanu bi o ho ebu me de emu mabem because eno kran na say me hyemu kina na me ye ni na politics there say na me kana no pe you either die or something happens to you. So we are prepared to do life this year. We are so ade ye certain. E wo wiase. Say me no ti we wo sika enye certain say wo di sika be wie.
Okay.
Say ehia wa enye certain say wo di ohia be wie. What you say? Say na wo ho nya fa enye certain say wo be ye ugly forever.
Oh yeah, utimi
jujwa kama. What you say? But ade ba kwa eye certain. So wo be wu. Eno di obi ntimi nka ho asem. The politics mu no so because it be a demonstration be aba it's me kum.
Is it worth it?
It is worth it. It is for the nation Ghana.
Wow, and commander ye de member ho ma me nko ma me Joyce Konoki Zampare eho na ye ni ho so enkomo ma me sa mo akwa baby
amede
efie boko
Adom
boko yen hwe won so my background information kakra
well
ufrase free hin na baby abodri
well senior sister penny kan me de make say me feel active politics na bi ni ho I quite remember say me auntie na ye dedo Dr. Intino, that was the genesis. Woman at 1 year little politics, but a fan me papa. That was my mother's lineage. But my papa lineage, there was nothing. At least a police officer or ye nejuma. But me real school, na me running my shop. Even though I was working with an NGO, I had my own shop. I was running. Na okay queen of 92 politics anymore. Me carry those times like she was talking about this election about so PN Pawili ni you know ni edidi echi but na ye ntiase UNC ni na ye edidi echi obokwa in fact ma me mo kwa ni edi echi but honestly I didn't understand what I was doing. Vote for UNC. Vote for UNC. The party is for you. Vote for UNC.
A party for you.
Broad-based the best. UNC all the way. Convention a clean. Ayo. It is that time na me ma me no more. But I did not understand. I was very youthful. Then late 80s, if I say early 90s, Fourth Republicans, you almost say starting. Then our late and former chairman, Kwame Jemfi, Okain Queen of, I no ba me shopper. Unso mo meet here. Oh Joyce, my way. Na me de boa mo. Ebo oh Joyce, ya hwatre ba me. That crowd about so when you did politics, I'm saying debut because 79-81 coup, my father really suffered, even though he was a police officer. What he went through, no. Now, ma Miss Rokakra. Okay. What you see on your politics, but Nioma kakro ko muntina, Monsieur Debbie na bomi hu. But who's that time no? PNC for ni liman say not yane no ewo just any share wall ewo tesa no hone nioma intino ne wo fase ne nioma ba around ne nioma na Mr. Kwame Jemfi Muswaba all the political parties in fact more or less like they were meeting at my shop. Okay. Into omo kwa we ya Joyce when he do bet me say me nyo ti dakro Kwame Jemfi omo ye meeting and also Joyce we here drinks for brain. Now, Monsieur meet us in patch of Fabrene, said it was a trap. Okay. You drew ye, the then Greater Accra Regional Secretary, ni aitebu afomo udu anom se kwaje chairman say patcho manya hoho bi Joyce ansa e be pompese wo be address ye I just afi bi ja ho ma ye ya me je Mike no that was the beginning.
Oh, wow.
And some are born with it. Some are born with it.
Okay.
Some are approached, some are mentored. And when you are brabono, obu how to and when you are dear, me feel say, and net day never can emma as a see because we can't identify our own and bring them up. Yentimi and she and who obini so yanteno Emma on to me may ye MSc. A dear backward, a shamming crown, Libya, me boom compo, na make sure baby, I may finish baby, I may drum feel so. A dreamer, I so did I so say yes, so ye be powerful from years, yet to 2 or more, no my best yet as your name. It is sir and a ma and ne, me be drinking. I started as a party member, became a police station chairperson. That time na constituency any deputy women but near women secretary.
Okay.
Maybe women secretary, maybe constituency women organizer, maybe 2-term greater Accra region women organizer. Then I contested national, lost, and I was appointed deputy communication.
What regret joining and becoming a
politician?
No.
No.
Honda.
Make I say President Kufuor maybe a corner no tree of no so look. 1 a year or 2 be for in life that you should venture in life. Irrespective of baby our as politics.
Okay.
Politics, among who we say the more. Say Nana yes the penny say. There were challenges. Who said in life there will be no challenge? Vice President, I quite remember just about a year or 2 advice. Also look, okay, say no, Shante be your casa. Or see hey, you know it's not easy. That when Papa friend say, hey gentleman, will you keep quiet? Whoever told you it's going to be easy in life. Say be sorry your war. Even in our own, way, everywhere you find yourself. Now, be sunny so, on so be, oh, what dear, a damn and sound cold. Then be at any given point you can meet your untimely death or time eradi, or be a limit to a whatever you have to do, send near that you wouldn't why. Mbapa, as one knows, what will you be remembered of?
Okay.
Is it for good or for bad?
Okay.
But if it's about nation building, so woko aje wo man woko ama ema ye die ne enkwala ye die ebeye dachi esuan de do it
yes say mama ko nana homa nana yenhye ye mai wasem be ka see we are our own enemies ye ne a obadru baby onu e ba no wotia ne nantini no wo no totwene na wo kaka ne ho nsem obi ko wa sabi di bra wo kopre ne kunu a wonni nti ono ane yonko ba de be twa de mpoa obi awo a wamu ye nti sansem nyina ba ema ya ne ka ye hye what be pen wuti bi pen ye de na wutimi di so nkuni
oh me de ma hu bi pen ye se mate bi pen
okay
but eno so nkire se ema ye se ye ka se nti je se oni oba ni interaction ye do ye hu wuti ase ebia me ma no mo ma me ka omo de omo so de they are also own enemies
okay
because when be ma bi wo ho ne boss wa adwuma ne no problem pa otemase but emma ye de na se etimi hwe ne overcome eno de ya de wo ho me wiase ba bi amananti bia no ba bi amenya issues bia ye oba na amenya issues
okay
otemase
na ya na osise ye de ade ya
ba bi encheda me hu ni se encheda nye bibia maybe yeso ye manage ni ye
okay
otemase ye manage ni ye me that is all I think say ye man enye bibia ye hu bia emema so so obi but e bi omo ya empie on with the mechi but ye manage ni ye and
but we hu bi pen
oh me hu bi bebre
na te say wetime ne ya che
oh wo adwuma ma nipa kro no ye boss or your ba wo problem
okay
otemase de bi o feel say say e bi otena wo so ana se wo ye ne boni bi ana se bibi sa
okay
but we ni be ma so ye adwuma ente sa
samom
otemase
nesa asemo ye ka se
mema de no ohun de meka ne se mema de na ye baako me meka no kure
okay
o be ka cho so opel otemase wan pene a na akofa asem obi be fo adamfo out of that obi be town out of that
okay yes ye ka se ya na ye ta ka se women are their own enemies no nukure wo
me ne de nukure wo but no nkyere se kan ye hye ese wuni abi wo problem a ese otimi ka chen say oh e be a sister yadwen na wo dwen ente sa e bia sister yen hwe na yen sort your differences out and I say bibi sa obi wo kwapa wonnim asem a ma ye bro wonnim asem a wo ko through on the family mu wonnim bia ni kum di ye na ofie o kan ware asem obi wo so kra won ware ya ma society na ma aware aye bibi ti said ye wan ware a wonye nipa
necessity
but enye obi a na be ware
samom
of course enye obi a na be ware
enye obi anso na be wo
enye obi aso na be wo me kai time me ja ware na me ya Kristo nipa but ma ware anko yi inti no me kwa asori down me kwa Calvary Baptist Church that time na mo adabraka
okay
they say me wo hyiashi me kwa me timi kokotena akonya so bench so wa akiri ho na me hwe wie mu sa me si na me pa na ma ware na me kuta mai na ai ware ya ba sai edem ha na me ye wedding no timi ti wo sa de bia me ko prayer meeting me tina chi ho na me hwe wie mu sa me si edu time bi kwa na me timi so nti one day me be culture eno na ma me gire mo ho to a me school so
okay
one day me te wa na Reverend Mallet the associate pastor obai no se raba why you say hama de bia me ba beta wo na da se wo te altar no so isu ana wo te akira ye den asem bra me office nti me koy na me se papa ma worry wo dem ha wo nyame ani anye yi no se nti na wo so so fa me ti ase e ka me papa ne me ma me boy was our wedding we ho me ti ase no say maybe na ni se wo worry enye obia na be worry
okay
okacha osofu panyi po se enye obia na be worry
na se wi ase wo mu wo se ye hu ye ho se obia ne se de ne kwan tie obia ne hyebre obi die no obi die ebetimi ase batanye pe okay
education do na se mo first degree no se koto aso famre no hwe wo ma no na to school no so
da aboa wo
na aboa me o se famre no na ukọ wanim e wo wiase famre na umfan ware obi de ware fa wo die ko school
mama nko zempare homra ha brabom ba bi wo ma odu ya wo tete san ye
There will always be storms in life.
Okay.
Abrabo ayebwe. Unya ne thought ya na se unye nipa, unya krati asefo.
Okay.
Unya krati asefo. Edru ma bia even politics ye todi bia na bibi pemo. No wanu ho unya akra se ehin ma befi. Minya ye. Wote kwa echi enye yi. Wo pese kwa enim so enye yi na se ne waka nsensemu. Na etwase wo a wo hye ho den. Se ne wo ka no. You won't call for if you get closer to them. Mimi say me to me kasa and twaso more and ma phobia MPP politics union Mrs. Doris Duble.
Okay.
Oba ye free fa. Mrs. Okujeto.
Okay.
My former treasurer. Haji Ali Mahama.
Okay.
In fact, a drubebia na a trudebia opese because send your cano. Sister, Nkrofo baby are living a deceptive life. Obo ha. Won't me kasa we your politics say wa worry. We say be 100%.
Okay.
Because a bedroom maybe mimiku. Baby or he's always out.
Okay.
Me say that your bag government na me cover is na me ka chen so. Me say si amami ku mo yi ni fe region ha ikwa ha. O so ma ne ma cry. Na me so ban cry ya. Me da ye mo adwuma.
Okay.
Because na fe wo hwe menim na mse me da ya madwuma oh yes
na se wo penisa so wati baby na
sister wo penisa kwa be penisa
okay
why na se me de me penisa but circumstances now wo mu no you are forced to be content with your current situation.
So how are you coping?
You need to cope. How are you coping? Ni nyina njawa also.
Okay.
Enyo bi na be ya ma. Sani no can trust them say was it ubompa ya kasa oboni ntina me fie that means boni wo ho.
Okay.
Was it the poor shall live among you? That's how you dey you here ni be wo ho.
Okay.
Enti bibie ni ho a eni ho ni eni ho no na eni di mbapa you don't know vote back what the man
afa yenhwe emma mo politics mu from we call various assemblies they be parliament percentage are you no is it okay?
Make us say we've come far.
Okay.
na baby a yedru no threshold no ene yentimi enua ye be cross.
Okay.
That 30% mark no eno na dia we are struggling to get there. But ye bompa ye say enche kra ye be dru ho say na ye ken ye nyina be ka bomu na ye identify enioma e wo politics mo any me who's how to put it, there are a lot of challenges.
Okay.
And no ti emema bebre e withdraw.
Mokodu baby na
the name ne di kan any edin to. Wanye uye oba we ne eden wo kasa ade ba ko ekun especially kroma we are confident, we are outspoken. You attack omuade arrogant. I didn't even want arrogant.
Remember say say mo do baby na afi ma ya homaso.
Enya homaso. Essence will be gina pemu, no be kasa na peka chance ne wuke enye. Ena ya hanso our upbringing say ne tete ye wuntimi nkasa be ma anim saa. Enti no se ne ye wo ye fie no, wuntimi fa ma abonten. Enti tambia no ba no ese wo ye kam emre obi sisi okra enye no. Eno so ese wo ka wanu tum.
Okay.
Emre dress ye hu se debi. We are not into competition with the men. We only want to be at par with them. We are not standing in front of them. Ye nyina wo ye nyina o machi. Ye se ye pese ye gina won chem ni won chem. Obi gina wo nim a obetimi asum no. O gina wo achi a onu besum wo. But o gina won chem ni mun chem mu a wo ti ahwe obeso. O so wo ti ahwe. O so won sa mun nyina betu anamon kro na makọ. Ni ye nyina ye duru ho. O hwe assembly ye call ye percentage wise. Ese say enu ba bia wo hwe parliament sisia na yetimi adu 40 and above ye kan ko but still na isha
Enu ba bia
ba menua wo beka se adenti e ma sense nem di kan kan no obekọ ne be free ne din die oba warifo be ra politics ne beka se we dwamanfo oye sei die ene me na nkokra se ne ye afi su sikasam because politics election ko me na daw sika
is here monetizing.
look whether you call it monetization or not it has become part of our politics.
Okay.
Obitimi hwe wanim was wo de who skills ni nyina to hold this position unni sika
So
unni sika aka ne aka unni fa mekoni ntino
me pa so me ba
mitimi fa
me ma na ho mo ho no mo so kakra wo sa ese ja mo de ni se mo na mo teso CPP no so sika kakra wo mo
Debi sika de se sika de e wo kofu me papa no mre.
Okay.
Na me ka chiro bi se na me papa ye lawyer. Na oye pharmacist. Na me ma me business woman.
Okay.
Na those days no ko ton ne niam no ko shops no ko gigi ni sika nkrofo tete ne shop mu wo ye dwom. Nti ko gigi sika na wo ayi bottom sack.
Okay.
No we dey abanti e ba driver ne ba ne yi ni nyina agu ho. Na ya start ne e tiritiri mu ne e kan. Uti a wo kan na papa be ka ba ko. Ode ko ma CPP. Na nye so omo de ko ye adwuma. Because you dey for monetization of unisika kran to nchen. Bibi abeye bia wo be high hall.
Okay.
Wo betonsuo. Wo de petrol na be ko. Wo te mase.
Okay.
Nkrofo be se wo high bus ma wo mo. No mo ba.
Ne se ni nyina ne funding no.
You funding no wo beto aduane. Wo ntimi mo bi metan wo 4-5 hours. Maybe wo free baby. E na aba. Obi wo free tumu. Aba wa.
Okay.
Ye program. Hwe kwantintin a watwa. E kwan ka bi amfa so. Na waba ezo han ka ma no odi free ho ofri garo tempani na ba han ka ma no odi free ho no de boni onika.
Okay.
Otimase na oba so o ma na aduane di na ka no sa de na call back eno kra ye enough spending petrol nko anya easy trekking the whole of this country, doing politics, doing campaign, talking to your grassroots, talking to your stakeholders. Sometimes I'm going to see a campaign and not just a real election. I feel like you starting.
No, say when you say no, Tinama, the Trebiana acquires politics, a member, my was our modern.
Of course, you know how the Yankee. Bema been a bit me out. Bema being who bit me out. What we go through in pregnancy,
for the 9 months.
Yes, near the shop. Yenyam near the office.
No Adriane.
Senior ma. And pastor ya office 3 months. Na kole 10 wo yem. No, bema be na betimi aye. be me bi wo ho a ohun se na yire wo a mini madam fu bi o se na yire won nyim bio because ade okohu ye no o se wonim se but no so obo a kire o ma wo tre
then you dey kira
do dey kira oh sister asema wo ka se se ejina mema na nche that's the right place because e mema no omo ha ene yi ye fie
okay
ti ye position you on machi ana wo me position on side because ho ye dia
mate me da asmamento ha de kakra ma abusia pensem mu djumade e na wo hye e wo bedwam djumade eso hye ne so se hepa plus mixture e kraye mu abrane e na afa impressor capsules and so wonum e kraye mu ebi Kennedy digital satellite e kraye mu abrane e na Greenfield Scientific Clinic wo mo so e ka ye hu ebi ubesa so enya home tamen ginseng omoso ka ho bi na Infavi wash ekraye mu CD Herbal Center ekraye mu abrane na St Andrews Ultimate and so eka ho ebi St Andrews Ultimate Remedials wo mu ekraye mu na afei St Andrews Health Care and so kraye mu abrane de pense mu djumade esoma no person no ne ma ene edi komene International Women's Day ntie yes wo no ma ye mfa so dia ye wo se de si fa boy ye bra se de si contribute to nation building ye di mu nkomotoche eba emma wo mo de aware school kro ematete aka politics ho na wo mo bobra ni nyina so ye ya mo atego ye nim se na fom den ti enum nkomo na omo ne ye eche sabe na me nko ma me zempare ho na me musa no ye nim se Ghana mampanyi ogusu ye na appointment ma koma ko nim se ministerial appointment no o ma converting ama ya approve ni ade ye nim se deputies beba wa appointee ubetu fu se on fa ma bebre
yeah wo hwe of course hu hia me pa me say me hwe da Ghana e betwa 30% inside and me nko me bo se wo krum ha
okay
enti eye asede enye needful
okay
enye want and very needful ade a ese enye enne ye celebrate WTO the first ever African and a lady
exactly
why I didn't and the whole world is celebrating her enne o kan ye back ya Ghana ne matwa ma yen ya inti me say last 4 years he did his best but I think it was still not enough because now over around 24-25%. Mestre said this time ye be na ye because at this time there on hit 30% ne ma yen ade a woman say eto de bia obema any new maybe skills bia we think we can put the man to try but a bad dia na stigmatization in nyoma
obadi ontime nye
we
den dodo
meanwhile so the ade mo oba wo ye chen ne be ma be
ye kra ne aboho
ye mo
asane
amamo oba bia no oba ma na ade a onye ni ye no because oba bia person gini di because the challenge say e meant me into oba bia hu no hu oba bia hu say asodi bi da no so was so excel e me eye adanse die me ni panyina ya so de skakura oba okra ni ye ode odama hu no abohu
sa
e me nso ene ma ode ye do so
de ma ye ro na ya bohu na de ama
so de ma be ma bebe na hwi ni ho na wan hwe no de echeka na abrel
ohu de
ayi ya den na mo fa mema ene about 22 countries can boast of women as presidents.
Okay.
We have about 22 women.
Uji di se Ghana ha oba ko jina se obeye presidential candidate here. Ye ne yonko ba nyina ba bi nka se oh oba de ye nuru so oba be di ye so.
You see, me I always say there's no harm giving a try.
Okay.
Alisanye bi enye kwadonko.
Bridget
Jokwenuku
and
you had a CPP candidate. Chairman. Yeah.
And Mama Rollins.
Right.
So you
good. I na say my ho atafo say na obi sister panyi. Edru baby a me ne mo ya adwen me ne mo nya adwen in the sense say yes, bebre pempin no. E ma ne te ho, e mema de kwahwe won achi.
Okay.
Instigate to omo
to
fight against their own. Ubehu nsama ya bekeke gu omo aso. It takes one woman to ignite others na fe flame no ben yehu a na omu Johnson se ye ka kire mo
me nkwa na ho brane e brane e ya ayebe se de na ye sister panyeke o se ne oba wonya dibre bi kura na no ku hu no waye adwuma no ye di dibre na mawo maye oba na enfa se bia no che wa ba obi ehu me no so gay so ye ni interview ye me fe ti me fa no de na ba me station obi be gina ba bia ka se o wode ne to akogye oba ye de titi bebre ma me Charlotte se kwatiti se nkofo keka kansem fa no sansem no moti amaye mpanimfo politics mu ya na te sen
anya media anya mehwe mu
to wo na nya wo hwe
dabi se bi ka se
obi susu ono etimi pem ne ma
me ma me
we dey mesre me bemu me kai me call Greater Accra election me say the first second election me call constituency bi na be ma bi sori no say Joyce ya so sori na ne emema no na ededa wa ha na eje no na ema wo ekwenam say what is wrong with it? Me oba, this is my own property.
So you choose how you use it?
I choose how to use it. Ain't mema the crowd, it's still open.
Okay, so how bit me be okay.
Na eye na person who reply who explain
as press one
One thing I got to know from my mom, osere obi kan asem to so a gitumu and let move on. Because who you are no as once another man no.
Posterity will determine
when you kase no one when
you yes why na dwen dey
chow here capitalize
nti ade ne de ye de to so a no afa ne sa ba ye CPP for de ye ma de ye encourage ma
okay
because me say ye ma dwen say me general secretary no especially 5 northern regions no me ko no obi afu say omo mpem ma but e ho no omo je me pa
okay
omo je me ti say because baby ti say ekuro bi ti say ayi bole bamboy we go direct we go tumu direct e continue me ko salaga na jona me nam sometimes me nam 3 am na me nam ko hu delegate sade na me ye no omo say e yo mo fe because e bi no ho on be twen crofo aba center region no abuni o ma ba be kasa
okay
but as e ba ye de ye encourage ma say we oba chairman ye chairman yo ba me so me yo ba
okay
everybody was wondering say number 4 oba chairman number 4 oba general secretary but almost 5 CPP mu dey because ye party no ye the man a boy
ye brana ye be nti tumafo tew ne enko
o ma dey efutuo na ne say me dem pese me 2 president anado danko akufo adofo me papa ba akopɛ me ye CPP ni ba me papa ba akopɛ no
e de Ghana mampanyi
papa ba akopɛ ba pese me tu ne fo na me ka say the deputies no sister Tihui onye deputy communication director ayi wo hwe ne ma wa ye won ne party no ma so ti man deputy minister
okay
what you say won fa man no mo deputy ministers
so ba say na mo ba ma me say babu ye yo
on babu ye say so mo menya ministers
okay
what you say ti see gina o deputy de o gina won nchen say na sister kan no nti won fa man no mo nyina me ma ne nchen ade twe anka ye de man hyehyɛ aban mu a anka mistakes ni bi ho ma ye gift ba ko nyankopɔ de ba intuition
okay
so oba ka kire wo say aha wo koi e the problem be bro wanti e the problem be bro intimidate de me kan ne say ye man panyin na danka kufa de daddy me pa cho hwe ne fa man even CEOs hwe ne fa man MMDC because bibi to say free zones say be man na koye MP
okay
oba wo ho gate wo ho o pia gate no fa ne hye ho
me da se ma me kwazam pa bi say ye bre na so wo futu ne sorry
me futu se ne nyina ye hwe se ye bedru target ya set ya ma ye ho the 30% threshold no mesre na japa se o manenye because ye ka krofo akon amemma eyi edie no mu pagya ya oka ho the first term omyehu second term omyehu say ampa he's been there for women, he's been the voice of women. It is not for anything okay radiama na wo emma nko a na radi nimni ode na be ye na me
da say e wo hodo abusia
davia ma me bobo mi ja no
okay davia ma ejo so da say abusia
me da CPP for nyina chia obi a happy independence happy women's day
okay abusia de ni nyina asi hana brema kwa me de bedwam dwumadi ni nyina asi na mpanifo a me ni wo mu edi nkomo na ya gentua wo no obeka me ho na afei Joyce Konoki Zamparenso ebeka me wo me din anoche wa badwa say wa